Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the account language in Facebook. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook account, and once you open up your Facebook, and on top right corner, and then click your Facebook profile account. And then you need to select this settings and privacy. So click. And then again, you can see the settings. So click again. And on left side menu, and then you need to scroll down. And then here at preferences, and then you need to select language and region. So click this one. And on right side, so you can see this language and region. And the next app language, and then account language. So here you need to change now your account Facebook language, whatever language you want. So you can tap this language button, and then account language, you can search any language here. So type only, and then languages you may know, so select only whatever or prepared language you want on your Facebook account. So select English, Filipino, or other language here. Alright, so that's it guys on how to change Facebook language back to English. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.